Are you new here? Then subscribe for more tutorial videos. First of all, download and install Handbrake software on your PC, link in description. Select a video. My video size is 184 megabytes. Then open Handbrake. Drag and drop the video here. Select video bar. Set frame rate to same as resource. Set constant quality value to 23. Then click Browse and select File Location. Then, click Start Encode. After that, wait a few minutes for completion. After finishing encode. Now, my video size is 21 megabytes. Before my video is 184 megabytes. I saved almost 163 megabytes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.